Hi everyone, this is Jason Zach from Nathaniel School of Music. In this lesson, we are going to focus a lot of things in the field of piano, syncopation, hand independence, as well as some improvisation, even though some improvisation techniques won't be covered, but just to free up your mind and resources to improvise. We are also primarily going to focus on your rhythm, and by setting a very simple constraint for ourselves, that will be in a cycle or in a bar of whatever the time signature may be, there shall be a maximum of 3 hits. Now, we've already done a lesson from a very rhythmic and a drum perspective where we did 6 hits in a bar, and that was based on the time feel. Where if you do quavers, you divide the beat by 2. So you have in a bar of 4, 2 fours are 8. So you'll have 8 available slots to fill 6 quavers. Or if you're dividing the beat by 4, then it'll be 4 fours are 16, and you'll have 6 slots or 6 hits within a period or within 16 subdivisions. In this lesson, it's going to be slightly different. It's going to be 3 hits in a bar always, but the bar or the time signature of our music would change drastically. So in this lesson, we are going to do 4x4, we are going to do 3x4, we are going to do 3x4, divide that into different chunks or different subdivisions. Also, with 4x4 and other signatures, different phrasing, different accents. 5x8 we look at other odd time signatures as well. So you might want to get your pianos out, stick around till the very end, and my handwritten notes would help you count this. We use traditional Indian konnakol at times to help us count the phrasing better. And we also will give you the staff notation. So both that is available on our Patreon page, and you can access it there for as low as $5 a month for not just this, every other lesson as well. All the notes that supplement our YouTube lessons, so to speak. So another thing is there's a subscribe button somewhere there. It'll be nice if you can hit that and turn on the bell for regular notifications. And for this lesson, we limit our study to a very simple chord progression: D minor, B flat major, F major, A seventh. How am I voicing the chords? A, D, F, second inversion, B flat, D, F, root position, A, C, F, F major, first inversion, and then A seventh. I'm not playing the root in the right hand because it's already there in the left. So G, C sharp, E. Okay, it's notated for you. Check it out. And before we get started with the lesson, it'll be nice if you can consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for regular notifications. Let's get cracking. So those 4 chords: D minor, B flat major, F major, A7. And to kick things off, let's look at a 4x4 rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll play arguably everyone's favorite, the Tresillo. And we'll do it in 2 ways. We'll first do it Tresillo with quavers, so your 8th notes dividing by 2. Tresillo with semiquavers, where it's 16th notes and you're dividing by 4. So if it's 8 notes, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's the Tresillo. 1 and 2 and 3. A good way to count this or to imagine it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. You divide it into smaller chunks using tiny numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And in India, you could use words like takita, takita, taka. Not in India. I mean, it's just a nice set of words to use, or syllables. Takita, takita, taka, takita, takita, takita for 3, taka for 2. So, takita, takita, taka, takita, takita, taka, ta. So the Tresillo, now if you play like this, these are your hits. Let's now put the chord progression on these hit points. Takita, takita, taka, takita, takita, taka, taka. First off, let's do both hands playing pretty much the same thing. You can also do a syncopated kind of flavor, which is left, right, right, 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 left, right, left, root, chord, takita, tak. And to get your timing going, you could either do the takita, konnakol, takita, or you can just count it as just numbers 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, whatever works for you really. Okay, and this is Tresillo over eighth notes. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and like this. So if you do Tresillo over 16th notes, you could now, it'll sound faster and it'll sound a lot more dancier. So 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 1E and a 2. So within 2 beats, you're going to end the Tresillo. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2. Okay. 1E and a 2E and a 2. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and there we go. And so on and so forth. So Tresillo in the quaver domain as well as the semiquaver domain. And since it's 3-3-2 and we need 3 hits in a bar, why can't we also do 2-3-3? So that'll be taka takita takita taka takita takita. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 taka takita takita taka takita takita taka takita takita taka takita takita taka takita. Or 3 meets 2 meets 3 takita taka takita 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 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1. It's tough to count and play, but you get the idea. Maybe you can count before playing. And then on the piano, we've done the syncopated way. Left, right. You're kind of distributing the hits between the two hands. With developing of hand independence, I would encourage you to take it up as a challenge where your left hand plays the pulse no matter what, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, and the right hand would play the chords. Left hand of course plays the chord roots, right hand plays the chords, but with that 3-hit system. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1. This would be Tresillo with 8s. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and, while with Tresillo with 16 1 more dancey because of those and. So this will really help build up your hand independence. And then if you'd like to improvise in the right hand, you can look at the left hand kind of doing the entire Tresillo, but with a very bass oriented mindset. So lute, so pa 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 pa. So left, right, right, or pinky, thumb, root, octave, root, octave. Basically that. Pa 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 pa. And now on the right hand, you could probably play something. Something bluesy. Or and so on. You could improvise by freeing up your right hand to basically play the melody. Okay, so we've developed 3 hits over a 4x4. Let's now develop 3 hits over a 3x4. The first thing is pretty obvious. Pa 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 1 2 3 1 2 3. So you can do it right off the bat. Left, right, left, right. You've got your 3 hits, but we've accessed the crotchet world or the quarter note. 1 2 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So in order to progress further with the 3x4 ecosystem, you can start dividing the beat. So that will add more compartments in your containers, so to speak, with the container being the beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, and you can now 1 and 2 and 3, and you're now dividing the beat into 2. So you say 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, da 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 doom. There we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. If you're not getting the syncopation immediately, you can just try hitting the root in the left hand, chords in the right hand, but together. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So still 3 hits, but dividing the beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And if you'd like, you can maintain the pulse in the bass. Oh, it's still kind of papa, but a bit more sophisticated. And just food for thought, so to speak, if you can divide this in even more. Let's say you divide 3x4 into triplets. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a. So you get those access to the triplet subdivisions. 1, 2 and a boom, boom, or if you divide 3x4 into semiquavers, dividing by 4, you can go 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 1E and a 2E and maybe do some phrasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, 7 plus 5 equals 12. So 3 4s are 12, and you're good to go over a 3x4 system. So you can get very interesting results as you divide further. But even if you divide by 2, you get a decent enough rhythm like 1 and 2 and 3 and there we go. Now coming to the next time signature, 5x8, we have a couple more to go. So 5x8 will be 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now I need 3 hits within this 5. And it's going to end up being rather fast. So the first option could be 1 2 1 2 1, 1 2 1 2 1, 1 2 1 2 1, 1 2 taka taka ta taka taka ta taka taka ta taka taka 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So that could work. Now the 1 is the quick one. 1 2 the 1 2 3 1 2 3. Those are the hits. Let's try getting that. I'm trying to follow the same mechanism, which is left, right, left, right for the syncopated. 3x4 is pa, pa. Pretty lazy. But 5/8 is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3. I'm just taking a D minor. 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1. Get the idea? Hopefully. And what about jumbling the numbers a bit? So 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1. So that would be 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2. Or you can do 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 or 1 back to normal 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1. The more common one is 2 2 1, at least for me. Then moving on to the next time signature, 7x8. So again, we can do 2 evens and the odd number 3. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. So that'll be taka taka takita taka taka takita if you want to use konnakol. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 slower 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 or you can do 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 which is used a lot more for folk music. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 but for more progressive stuff it could be 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 back to folk 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 takatan. So basically just by these phrasings and making sure the numbers add up to whatever the time signature number is 7 by 8. So 2 2 3 equals 7, 3 2 2 still equals 7, 2 3 2 also equals 7, right? So you get all these different phrasings or accents, but we've set that constraint. So whenever we practice rhythm, it's nice to set a constraint, which is I'm going to have a workout for about half an hour today and there'll be 3 hits in every bar and let's see what I can do with that. Using the 3 piano ecosystems, which would be syncopation, independence where one hand's trying to do the pulse, or improvisation where the left hand kind of does the entire rhythm pattern somehow and the right hand would improvise whatever you might want to play. Okay, last but not least, let's try and give a crack at 9 by 8 and see where that takes us. So 9 by 8 could be phrased as 4 3 2. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3. You get the idea? You might want to use a metronome to kind of get this ironed out further. Okay, moving forward, you can watch the lessons in the description where we've set some other constraints for ourselves where you divide the beat by this much and play 6 hits. You should also definitely check out my exclusive video just on Tresillo. We've done only Tresillo for the entire lesson. We have done 3 by 4, the waltz rhythm, umpapa, a lot further, and we've done a dedicated lesson to odd meter, just how to count all those big numbers like 9, 11, 13 and beyond. So do check that out in the description. Let me know what you thought about this lesson in the comments, and if you liked it, well, please give the video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your musician friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, and get my notes handwritten and the notation on our Patreon page. I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.